Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Another episode of Mr. B Cooks. Jumping right in, we're gonna do a German staple. I'm gonna celebrate a little bit of my heritage, but I'm gonna throw it in a slow cooker. So we're gonna be making sausage, or in this case, Bratz, which is a traditional German sausage, with peppers and onions. So, looking in the slow cooker, I've got one of each color of bell pepper that I can find. So green, orange, red, and yellow, just sliced. And then I've got two medium onions. If you got a good size large yellow onion, again, thin slice, but these were kind of small, so that's why I went with two. To that, I have 2 tablespoons. This is a whole grain mustard. I don't care what brand you use, but you want whole grain. Okay, so that goes into the pot. Then on top of that, we've got some dried spices. So I've got 2 bay leaves here, right? So we'll just toss those in. And then I've got 2 teaspoons of ground thyme and then 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Throw that in. This is beef stock. These are beef sausage. You could use chicken if you want. 1 cup. And then 1 beer. I'm using a stout, but you could use an IPA or anything of your choosing. 12 to 14 ounces. This happens to be 14. Once all that is in, we're going to give it a mix. Okay, so I'm just mixing this up real quick to give it a combine. Don't forget you have the bay leaves in there. You don't want to serve those. Okay. Now we're just going to dump on the brats. Just push them right in. It doesn't matter how they land because we are going to stir these up as it cooks. 6 to 8 on low. We'll see you in 6 to 8. All right, we're at about 6.5 hours. I told you can go 6 to 8 on low. So we'll check it out. Yes, I stirred this a few times. I also am being a little bit proactive. Because remember, you don't want to leave bay leaves in because nobody wants to eat a raw bay leaf. We're gonna grab one. I got myself a brat bun. You can optionally put this on a grill to get some grill marks if you like a crispy brat. With that, then I'm gonna grab some of these nice juicy peppers and onions. Maybe 1 more scoop of those. And that is it, y'all. You can't serve this cutting it up, but it is fully cooked. So you could cut this up and then serve it over something like rice or probably more preferably a nice mashed potato. And then just drizzle the sauce over the top. You know, Joe, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Take care.